In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete videos in EDPuzzle. Whether it's a video you no longer need or one you added by mistake, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your teacher account and go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the My Content. Here, scroll down to the Videos tab and then click the video or videos you want to delete. For example, I have this specific video that I have added by mistake and I wanted to delete that for quite some time. Now all I have to do is super simple. Click the three dots icon on the top corner and click the delete button. It's super simple, right? And of course, you will see that EDPuzzle will ask you to confirm. Of course, if you are decided, just click the delete again to permanently remove the video. And once you've done that, you have successfully deleted a video or videos here in EDPuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.